This is a request video of how to use should, could, and would. So if you've got the same question, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. This is Dory. I'm a teacher of English, and today's video is a request video of one of my followers. You can see the name somewhere around here, and the question was how to use and when to use should, could, and would. In the first video, in a previous video, we talked about should, and you can find the link of this video in the description box below or somewhere around here. Now, in today's video, we're gonna talk about could. So let's begin. Okay, when to use could. Could is very, very easy. First of all, could is the past of the verb can. So we express our ability, the ability of the speaker to do something in the past. For example, if we want to say, if we have the present tense, he can swim, it becomes he could swim when he was young, or he could swim 10 years ago, or whatever. So basically this is it, the past tense of the verb can. And it shows our ability to do something in the past. Secondly, we use could to talk about something hypothetical, something we would do if we had the ability to do something, but we don't. For example, if she could dance, she would take part in the dancing competition, but she can't dance, so she won't take part. Although we use could, it doesn't refer to the past only as in the first case, it also refers to the present because she still can dance. That's why I said it's hypothetical. Last use, we use could to talk about something, to ask about something in a polite way. We do that when we want to be polite. When we talk to another person that is older, or we want to show our respect to him or her, or we don't know him very well, or he's our teacher, or whatever. For example, could you give me the pen, please? So this is a polite way of asking for something. Now let's recap. First use, it's the past tense of the verb can. Second use, when we want to talk about hypothetical, when we want to talk about something hypothetical. And third use, when we want to ask something in a polite way. Now that you know when to use it, let's have a look at how we use it. In the same way as should, could is always followed by another verb that shows which ability, what we can do, okay? Again, nothing changes, it is the same throughout. The verb that follows could doesn't change, it remains in verb infinitive. So we have I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Could never changes either. Could go doesn't change either, even if it is in he, she, it form or whatever. So he, she, it person or whatever. So as you can see, it's very, very easy because nothing changes. Again, it can form questions and negative sentences on its own, pretty much like should and other modals. So we have, let me give you just some examples. We couldn't go. Could he go? No, he couldn't. Yes, he could. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe, and do check the description box below for other useful links to my website, social media, and other videos. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.